Co-ed kayo? Parang isang agency kayo o isang production team?
Isa.
Anong agency nyo?
SMA.
Ito si Kuya. Anong agency niya?
SMA Talent Agency po.
Ayan, parang SMAP din, SMA. Ito si Kuya. Kuya o ate?
Kuya po.
Ay, Kuya. Choreographer ka nila or what?
Yes po.
O yun, What would like to say kasi itong mga to, kasama niyo ba yung mga mamis niyo dito? Ayan, welcome na welcome po tayo sa SMAP. At saka, Kuya, sige, sabihin mo na yung social media accounts niyo.
Yan.
Ikayo, gusto niyo, go.
You can follow me po sa MV Princess May Munoz and sa IG Cesarit. And also follow our FB page po as a free na po. Please follow me on my Facebook page po, Skyround. And as my fellow companions of Frida had said earlier, please also support our Facebook, TikTok, and as well as our YouTube.
Ayan.
Please follow my page on Nicole Melanges, as well as our page po sa Frida. Please follow my Instagram account po, HiHitPico. Please follow my Facebook page, Wela Munoz, and my Instagram, Wela Munoz, and also my TikTok account, Wela Munoz. And also follow our group page sa Frida.
Ayan.
Sabi ko na po yung IG ko kanina, pero follow nyo na din po yung FB page ko ng Bright, tsaka IGN.
Kuya, ikaw dito. Go.
So guys, you can follow our page, SMA Talent Agency and Bright and Sabrina. And my FB account is Theo San, as in Theo space SAN, Theo San. And same